Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel for the second and final time tonight or today. Today we're honoring our 320th subscriber special today with the CSX I158 stack train coming, passing the Shell station in Erie, Pennsylvania. Let's check it out, roll it. But before we play this video, again, remember, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's Regular and Train Expert channels on YouTube, because we have 300, because both of my subscribers are going up. We got 320 subscribers on there, and we got over 3,700 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Also to subscribe to Jeffrey's Regular channel page. We got 52 subscribers on there, and we got over almost 600 videos on YouTube to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's Regular channel page. Check it out. Today we're honoring our 320th subscriber special today with the CSX intermodal stack train coming, passing the Shell station in Erie, Pennsylvania. Let's check it out. Roll it. CSX track, got a train coming, let's check it out. Yep, it'll be CSX. There's the gates. I see the light here now. Now the truck's up. The truck made it in time before the gates go down. There you go. Yes, it is. Sometimes CSX runs really fast. Lots of bare tables in this. Yeah, we got a traffic jam over there in Erie, Pennsylvania is where the video's at. There's the end. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of bare tables in this train, yeah. Sure was. Yeah, there's a lot of bare tables in mid train and end train. I never seen so many bare tables on the CSX train in quite a while, so. That's pretty good. I want to see if there's another train. I don't know what bound it is. Well, the train you just saw is an eastbound. Yeah, this is dangerous, though. Putting a car going by in front of the gates. Yeah, this is dangerous. There's a lot of cars going by like this. Yeah. I don't know why the gates are still going down. There might either there's got to be another train coming, or there's some maintenance, or CS, or unless there's CSX, or unless the CSX gates having some problems here. Looks like this is a CSX ghost train. Yeah, you don't see them too often. I seen it like once at the B&P tracks in Union City, Pennsylvania, like this. Yeah, when we started the trains back in 21. We don't hear another train. I'm gonna stop the video here and end this video after I say what the train symbol is. Where's this video at? Where's this video from? This is from Erie, Pennsylvania. Yep, Erie, Pennsylvania. This is the Shell gas station in Erie, Pennsylvania. Is where the video's at right now. Okay, yeah. So, all right. I don't think there's another train coming right now. Let's go ahead and stop the video here. Symbol on that train is the CSX I158. The I-158 originates to North Baltimore, Ohio, heads east to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Wednesday, May 15th, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. It was pretty good. It was a big double stack train with some bare tables in the middle, and there's some bare tables on the end of the CSX intermodal train we just seen today. So where's this at again? You said the Shell station in Erie, Pennsylvania. That is correct. Okay, I was just making sure which gas station is this. Yep, this is a Shell gas station in Erie, Pennsylvania. That's why we started them in 21 and 20 in the end of 2021, and we started them early in 2022. So Alright, this is going to be my only 2 train videos I'm going to be doing today. So this is probably going to be it for today. For Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Thanks for watching this special 320th subscriber edition of Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Again, one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular and Jeffrey and Train Expert channels on YouTube, because we got 300 and we got about 15 subscribers going up on the Train Expert channel this past weekend. We got 320 subscribers on there, and we got almost over 3,700 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Also, too, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. Oh, we got some great news coming up for Jeffrey's regulars. we're going to be officially going to be going live today for Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. We'll have it at 4 o'clock p.m. this afternoon today. So we'll check. So again, we're going to have a 4 p.m. live stream today on Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. It's going to be my first ever. This is going to be my first ever live stream on Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. It's going to be pretty exciting to see me on the live stream on Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. That's what's going to be coming up. That's going to be coming up later on this afternoon today. So we're going to remind everyone one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular and Train Expert channels on YouTube. And also, let's get a quick shout out to Ollie Mainstein from Ollie Mainstein, Jeremy Haig from Tractor Head 04, Josh the Rail Fender, and Paul the Rail Fender's YouTube channel. So make sure all of them subscribe to all of their YouTube channels. Ollie Mainstein's, Jeremy Haig's Tractor Head 04's YouTube channel, Josh the Rail Fenders, and Paul the Rail Fender's YouTube channels. Please subscribe to all of them on YouTube. So everybody else, have a good day, and we'll be back on later this afternoon on Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel for the first ever live stream. Talk to y'all then. Whoops. Is this the CSX tracks in Erie, Pennsylvania? Yes, this is the CSX tracks in Erie, Pennsylvania. CSX and Norfolk Southern tracks in Erie, Pennsylvania. So just want to make sure. So. Alright, we're going to get off and we'll get back on at 4 o'clock on Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel for my first ever live stream. Talk to you then.